Let's talk now about the L in HTML, language. We have another problem to solve. What if different people use different markup to mean the same thing? That would be a consistency problem, both for humans and computers. We need to be speaking the same language. What we need then is a markup language. A markup language does what any language, like English or Spanish, does. It provides a few important things. A consistent vocabulary. We're all using the same terms. Because of that, we can convey meaning clearly. There's no confusion because we know what that particular piece of markup is trying to convey. A language exists to facilitate communication. So by having a markup language, we're facilitating a particular type of communication so that the user agent can then give to the user the intended meaning of the document. And when we're learning the language, if it's consistent, we can go to a dictionary and look it up. And we'll do that here in this course. There is the equivalent of a dictionary for hypertext markup language. All of this then, the idea of language is about providing consistent meaning. Just like English or Spanish or another language, a markup language provides all of these things, and that's what HTML, hypertext markup language, does. Everyone writing HTML should be using the same markup to mean the same thing. That also means that it's our job to learn and use the language fluently, to use it for its purpose, to communicate meaning. And the idea of meaning is what we'll discuss next.